everybody. Come follow along with my good buddy Rollo and I show you how to make this super sturdy workbench out of only a couple of 2x4s and a sheet of plywood. It only takes about 2 hours. Here we go. Got what's going to be the top and what's going to be the shelf cut out. Now it's time to screw them together, and for this I'm just going to use basic deck screws. Okay, so what I did here was I counted for that 1.5 inches, cut this center piece to 21 inches and this 1.5 inches over here. So if you take 1.5 inches plus 1.5 inches gives you 3, plus your 21-inch centerpiece here gives you 24 inches total. And so for me, I wanted a 2-foot wide workbench by 5 feet. So these stringer pieces here are cut to 60 inches, and this total distance here is 24. So I'm going to have a 5x2. You can see those, but they're all lined up nice and straight. These are the legs. I'm a tall guy. I'm 6'4", so I'm making the legs 36 inches long, plus it's a nice round number. And there's the others, pretty close. Not bad for a circular saw by hand. And then I got these 2 scraps left over that I'm going to make a center stringer going right here. I'm going to cut those to 21 inches to match the ones on the end. So I'm going to go one here for that, And then for the shelf area, I'm going to make another stringer for that as well. I'm holding off on putting the plywood on because I'm going to cut the corners. I'm going to work on the shelf here. In order to do that, it's just going to drop right on, but I need to account for these legs in the bottom frame. As you can see, it's going to be 3 inches by 5 inches. So I'll just cut out 3 by 5 in each corner of the slab over there. I'll just do reliefs here, 3 by 5, 3 by 5 in all 4 corners, and then drop it in. Rolo, come. Good boy. Good boy. Did you get that cat? Did you get that cat? Alright, so the dimensions I chose are 2 feet by 5 feet, so 24 inches by 60 inches, and I went with a 36-inch leg just because I'm 6'4", and so it made it easy to just cut the sections like that. So what you'll need for this at those dimensions is going to be 1 4x8 sheet of plywood. I use 3/4 inch and 6 2x4s. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You'll need some deck screws, whatever saw you want to use, and something to drive the screws, either a drill or a impact or something along those lines. You get the idea. So that's pretty much it. I didn't glue anything, but you could absolutely reinforce it with some glue. And yeah, that's about it. It's real sturdy. I mean, hell, Rolo weighs 85 pounds and I'm 215, so you know, there's 300 pounds right there, and it's not even budging. So yeah, come on. Yeah, good boy. Hey everybody, come follow along. Well, my good buddy Rolo in here show you blah, blah, blah.